Okay, final call to place your bets. Calling race number 10, penultimate race. Please welcome our track announcer, Kagawan Verhel Kaliwliw. Take it away, Verhel.
You, the only one, Mr. Bong Rubio, Wonderboy, Rap, Sordan, Alcantara. Set to go, penultimate race. The betting is closed, then the race is on. I don't mind those spoiler lane moving upon the outside Salamix. Then comes Just Joking, Umbrella Girl, Time of My Life, Nobody But You, Peregrino. Then Barrel Concert King in between runners to infinity and beyond as they race towards the half mile pole. Now they are all after Jack Joking, takes up the running by Aurelien Canap, dropping back in second Salamix. I don't mind moving up Barrel, then running on the outside, Nobody But You, running by the airport is Umbrella Girl as they round towards the 450. Now we have I Don't Mind, takes up the running, Nobody But You to take second, Just Joking on the outside, Umbrella Girl moving up on the outside by the release, Time of My Life, Peregrino, June 3, and down the stretch and hitting the finish line, it's still I Don't Mind by about 3 lengths, and finally, I Don't Mind, Nobody But You, Umbrella Girl, Peregrino, June 3, and number 1, Concert King.
Okay, 765-291, unofficial order of arrival.